Hello students, once again I am here with the same topic fraction and one particular topic I have considered, that is like fraction. So students, we have already discussed about like fraction in the previous class. So now let us, I have taken one example from your textbook. So that example is this: how will you solve them? Is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5? In the previous class, we have already discussed such type of questions, but I didn't discuss from the textbook. That's why I have taken one sum from the textbook. Exercise 7.4, question number 7, Roman 1. This is question number 7, Roman 1 I have taken. So now students, is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5? There are two methods I show you. First, we can convert them into like fraction. Now we can see that the fractions are not like, they are unlike fraction. So now what will I do? I will convert this to fraction into like fraction, as we have already discussed how to convert. So students, we should know how to convert them into like. See, 9 and 5, so LCM of 9 and 5. LCM of 9 and 5. So, is equal to 9 multiplied by 5 is equal to 45. See why I have multiplied? Because one is composite number, another is prime number. If one number is composite and another is prime, in that case, we simply multiply the denominators. Now, 5 by 9 is equal to, so 5 by 9, so I have to make the denominator 45 because LCM is 45. So let me write 45 over here. So now what number I will multiply with this 9 to make 45? 9 5s are 45. Then here also I will multiply by 5. So it is 25 by 45. So now next one, 4 by 5. I have taken 4 by 5. So is equal to. So here also I have to make denominator 45. So 4 by 5. So what number should I multiply with this 5 to make 45? 9. I'll multiply here also 9. Once I multiply here 9, here also I'll multiply 9. That means 36 by 5. Now you can see, students, which is greater. Now I have converted these two fraction into like fraction. So now since denominators are same, so now in this like fraction, which one is greater? So numerator is greater over here, and here the numerator is smaller. Now it is said, is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5? So what can we say? Are they equal? This is 25 by 45. This is 36 by 45. No, they are not equal. So therefore what we can say? No. Simply we will say no. See students, in this way we can do this, we can compare this to fraction. So another method, as I already discussed other method also. So you can do in this way also. For your convenience I am showing you 5 by 9 and 4 by 5. Now you do cross multiplication, students. So 5 5s are 25. So 9 4s are 36. Now as we know, are they equal? No, they are not equal. So that's why these two are not equal. So in this way also we can find, students. Now hope students you have understood this. After converting into like fraction, how we compare the fractions. So students, now let us go to another example from your textbook. Remember, this is question number 7, number 1. Now let us go to the another question from your textbook. See students, so now another question I am taking. This is, I have taken question number 9. Question number 9 I have taken. So in question number 9 it is said that Rafiq exercise 3 by 6 of an hour. Rafiq exercise 3 by 6 of an hour. 3 by 6 of an hour. So, and it is given that Rohit exercised 3 by 4 of an hour. Rohit exercised 3 by 4 of an hour. 3 by 4 of an hour. Now students, they have asked who exercised for longer time. Who exercised for longer time, they have asked. So we can do in two methods, of an hour, and here also given of an hour. So now what can we do? We can convert this into like fraction. Otherwise, we can do like this also. 3 by 6 of 1 hour means how many minutes? 60 minutes. 60 minutes. And how much I will get? So if I of means multiply, as we know, 3 by 6 multiply by 60. So 6 10 is 60 is equal to 30 minutes. Is equal to 30 minutes. Now this is for Rafiq. Now for Rohit, 3 by 4 of 60 minutes. 60 minutes, or 3 by 4 into 60 minutes. So 4 15 is 60. So 3 15 is 45 minutes. Now from here only we can say who exercised more. So Rafiq or Rohit. So here I got 30 minutes. Here I got 45 minutes. So obviously Rohit exercised more. So but we can do another way by converting into like fraction. So students, 3 by 6 and 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So LCM of 6 and 4 we can find. LCM is 6 and 4, as we have already done in factors and multiple. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. So now we'll multiply 2 into 3 into 2. So is equal to LCM will be 12. 12. Now let us convert into 12. Same like fraction. 3 by 6 is equal to 3 by 6. Here you multiply by 2. Here also multiply by 2. Is equal to how much I get? 6 by 12. Now another one, like 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. So multiply by how much? I'll multiply to make the denominator 12. I'll multiply 3. Here also I'll multiply 3. Is equal to 9 by 12. Now compare the fraction, 6 by 12 greater or 9 by 12 greater. So 9 by 12 greater. It means who did more? Rohit exercised more. In this way also we can find the answer. So hope students, these two methods you have understood. Today we have learned to convert a fraction into like fraction, and how we will compare two fractions after converting it into like fractions. And another method also we have learned, without converting into like fraction, how can we do. But students, converting into like fraction is very important, because when we start to do addition and subtraction, you have to use this concept. You have to use this concept to do addition and subtraction. So hope you have understood it, students, and if you have any doubts, any confusion, please let me know in your live classes. So students, thank you and have a nice day ahead.